This is Tawny, pumping with Moxxly Flow. The flow is designed to fit under your shirt and inside your bra. To demonstrate, Tawny's unbuttoning her shirt, but you don't have to. Flow works best with bras that have a little stretch. Try a few different bras with Flow to get the fit that feels most comfortable for you, but skip the underwire and sports bras. When you're ready to pump, insert the flange portion of the assembled Flow into your bra. Your nipples should be centered and your breast should have full contact with the flange to create a proper seal. Check that the tubing isn't being pinched by your bra band. This can limit proper suction. Next, connect the tubing to a compatible pump motor. Check Moxxly.com for the full list of compatible pump motors. Feel free to check during your pump session that your nipples are still aligned. Now you're ready to pump like a mother.